This wonderful home has its own private backyard oasis featuring a screened porch, pergola, bar area and fabulous in-ground saltwater pool. Beautiful one-owner custom-built 3-bed 2-bath home boasts a spacious and open split floor plan. Living room and dining room with recessed lighting, gas fireplace and lovely wet bar for entertaining. Kitchen has a unique tile floor design, stainless steel appliances, pull-out shelves and cabinets, raised breakfast bar and ample cabinet and countertop space. Laundry room even has a built-in ironing board. Large master bedroom ensuite features a luxurious jetted tub complete with chandelier, separate shower and double vanities. Both guest bedrooms are very spacious and share a bath which features a large walk-in shower. Full brick home with irrigation in both front and backyards and 29 solar panels for energy savings. Conveniently located just minutes from I-16.